Welcome! If you're tired of getting constant mention notifications on Snapchat and want a quieter experience, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to turn off mention notifications in just a few simple steps. First, go ahead and open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your personal settings are located. Next, in the top right corner of your profile screen, you'll see a small gear icon. That's your settings menu. Tap on it to open up all the available options. Now, scroll down until you find the notifications section and tap on it. This is where Snapchat lets you control what alerts you receive and what you don't. Inside the notifications menu, you'll see a list of different notification types. Look for the option labeled Mentions. Once you find it, simply tap the checkbox next to it to uncheck